Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most iconic and beloved Italian chocolate brands, Baci Perugina. Baci Perugina is not just any ordinary chocolate, it has a rich history and unique flavor that has captured the hearts of many chocolate lovers all around the world. So, let's dive in and learn more about this delicious treat. Baci Perugina was first created in 1922 by an Italian chocolatier named Luisa Spagnoli. The word baci means kisses in Italian, and this chocolate is indeed a true symbol of love and affection. The first Baci Perugina was made with a dark chocolate shell, filled with a creamy chocolate and chopped hazelnuts, and topped with a whole hazelnut. The iconic love note, but what really sets Baci Perugina apart from other chocolates, is the little love note that comes with each chocolate. In fact, it's not just any note, it's a love note. These notes are written in 4 languages and contain romantic quotes and love messages. The tradition of including love notes began in the 1930s and has been a part of Baci Perugina ever since. The ingredients: Baci Perugina is made with high-quality ingredients, including cocoa, sugar, and hazelnuts. The hazelnuts used in Baci Perugina are sourced from the Piedmont region in Italy, which is famous for its high-quality hazelnuts. The chocolate used in Baci Perugina is a blend of African and South American cocoa, which gives it a unique flavor. The production